right, let's go. Let's go. So, I want to start off, going over my top three trade ideas for this week, and I'm going to add a bonus, right? So, oh man, great setups coming in. Great setups coming in for this week. After doing all my research, these are my top ones. So, let me start off with CHWY. Okay. All right. So, here, all right. We got my favorite, fail two. Fail two down on the month. All right, so the Bears were manipulated here. They swept their previous month low, coming back up. We're above the previous month 50. Amazing setup. Go down to my week. They're pushing it. They're pushing it. So all right, all I want from this point is simply to take out the previous month high. What happens from there is we go outside month. So we take out their previous month's high. Simple as that. All right. Fail two to previous month high. Take that out. All right. Same thing with LYFT. So one of our members, she already crushed it, 1,000% profit, and not even to be greedy, but we're still going to get um, about like 150% out of this setup. All right. So I'm simply gonna take this entry right here. Boom, smack that. Let it take out the previous month high. Go three on the month. What we still have 2 weeks in August, so I believe this can take that out this week. All right, one nice push. Then we go outside month. But congrats to Brittany in our group. Man, 1,000%. She had that flow with it too. I think she sat in here for a few days actually. So that was a great move. And like I said, we still can take out that previous month high. Last one as far as the top three is YUM. So previous month 50. Looks like it rejected it just a little bit. What I'm looking to happen is for us to get back above here, clear the previous month 50. Okay. Start working our way up. And I'm actually gonna move my stop up here. And I want to get over that 4-day open because that's the only thing that's keeping it back from having my 4 time frame continuity candles. All right, like you seen on LYFT and CHWY. So that's the only thing that's holding it back is that 4-day open. I want to get over that. Boom. Then we run it to 153. So for this week, that's what I'm anticipating happening. There's some nice solid moves going up to previous month highs, right? And the bonus is CRWV. Okay. Now, the reason why is because we have flow on this one. This could be a monster. Okay. Um, and the reason why I said is when you look here, okay, you got flow, flow, flow. So let me just break it down real quick. Um, someone came in Friday. This was Friday's flow, and they were coming in like all day, slide in. This is the expiration here. So for the 22nd and the 29th is their last one. But they came in, they scooped up like 1,000 contracts here, 1,000 there, 500,000, 500, 500. So they're sweeping it, right? Calls. Okay, keep that in mind. It says calls. But you go down to the daily and the weekly, matter of fact, you'll see sale like is like going down, right? Look, someone knows something is about to happen. All right. So therefore, what I'm thinking is about to happen is just like LYFT, just like CHWY, just like YUM. They're gonna sweep that previous month low, come back, flip over the month open, and start to run back to their previous month 50. Now there's no guarantees, but there's a very, very high probability that this could happen and this is the last thing I'm gonna say, because we can flip off their daily failed two down right there. Right. So boom, we get over that previous day high, flip over that. We can get over that month open. That's going to create a failed two down on the month. Then we start ripping. Now, let me see if y'all see a similarity here. Okay, you see that little arrow that lets me know it's a failed two down, right? All right, let's go to lift. Bam. That's when they start loading flow here, somewhere in this area, right? Matter of fact, I think, to be honest, yeah, it was on 11th. When I looked it up, it was on the 11th. They loaded flow, and that thing flipped. That one candle started the trend. Boom. So that's how one of our members was able to do that 1,000%. All right. So I'm expecting the same thing. Same setup, same structure. Flip, boom. So look, I just gave y'all some serious setups to look forward to this week. I'm wishing everyone have a profitable week. Let's get it.